Color sensor B5WC, fluid condition monitoring. If lubricating oil deteriorates in a machine tool, it can be the root cause of malfunction. Using color sensors, the lubricating oil can be replaced at the optimum time by quantitatively color-coding the degree of deterioration in the lubricating oil. The machine tool's lubricating oil color is measured in simulation. Light emitted from the sensor is transmitted through the lubricating oil, and the sensor receives the light reflected by the reflective plate. In this section, 4 types of petroleum product standard color samples are used to compare the output voltage of the sensors. For petroleum product color standard samples, ASTM 1.0, 3.0, 5.0, and 7.0 are used. First, the RGB output voltage values of sample number 1 are displayed. Switching to the RGB output ratio display, the highest value among R, G, and B is set at 100%, and the other values are displayed as relative percentages. Comparing the output voltage values of 4 types of samples. Each of the RGB output voltage values differs. The output voltage ratio differs for each one. With this information, color sensors can be used to monitor changes in lubricating oil color.